This is an interesting one. So history which was suggestive of something like DVT/cellulitis, acute pain, swelling. So yes, wonderful. So that is one DD that you have to consider is a ruptured Baker's cyst. It can mimic a deep vein thrombosis. All right. So what are you seeing here? You can see that there is some sort of fluid collection, but it's not really the speech bubble that we are, familiar with. So what has happened? It is this Baker's cyst which has ruptured, and you can see the fluid tracking along the muscles, and you can also see some sort of joint effusion as well. So this is what is a ruptured Baker's cyst. Morel-Lavale lesion, here very unlikely. What is Morel-Lavale? It's a closed degloving injury, right? So it would be in the fascia, in the interfacial plane. उसमें आपकी skin basically peel हुई थी and then वापस आ गई थी. So that is why the collection would be subcutaneous. It can't be deep into the intermuscular plane. So that is why not Morel-Lavale. It's a closed degloving injury in the subcutaneous. There is a hematoma, right? So this is a ruptured Baker's cyst. Which two muscles does the Baker's cyst happen between? Two M's. So semimembranosus and medial head of gastrocnemius, right? So you can remember these two. So you can always find the semitendinosus. So uske paas mein semimembranosus and medial head of gastrocnemius. So that's where the typical location is. And here also you can see that that's where the fluid collection actually is.